Ho, ho, ho. I'm gonna sneak into your chimney tonight, kids, and take all of your presents, just like the Grinch did. Did you know there's magic in your eyes? Ride a sleigh if Santa come by. But did you know he left me in the blizzard, leaving behind? And then how? I don't know how I could do that, like the Grinch left me to rhyme. I don't know why it's coming to the vine. I've been playing Black Ops 4, coming under this rhyme. I hit Black Ops 4, they call it Fortnite. I don't run away. Because he left me in the snowstorm. I've been surviving all these things. I've been riding a sleigh just to get home today. And you know what it is, and already left me late. I don't know how I could do such a thing. You don't know how I could do such a thing. You're probably like on the head. I don't know how to say to the day. I don't know where I have to do all these things. I don't know why you're bonus and anything. Like Snuggles should come to me and say hey. I don't know why a bunny rabbit should come and say hey. I don't know why I left me in that snow blizzard. And then when it was real. I felt like Thomas Train sitting in the trail. I found myself burnt right into the future. Looking to the past and looking to my future. I didn't know that the future would be like this. I didn't know like the snow blizzard went like this. Did you ever know that the Americans flawlessness? And did you ever know that Mexicans don't exist? Anyways, forget about the bunny rabbit that killed me. What I say? Anyways, forget about the bunny rabbit that killed me. What I say? How could it be the blue with lizard? How could a grass go to lizard? How could a bear raise a lizard? Survival stuff. Riding a sleigh, can get the magic in my eyes. Come in the day.